Hello, young explorers. Are you ready to dive into a world that's hidden from our everyday sight? Today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of cells, the building blocks of all living things. These tiny units are the foundation of life as we know it. Imagine a world so small that it's invisible to the naked eye. Yet this world is bustling with activity and complexity. This is the microscopic realm of cells, the fundamental units of life. Here cells grow, divide, and perform countless functions that keep organisms alive. From the smallest bacteria to the largest animals, all living organisms are composed of these tiny structures. They come in various shapes and sizes, each with a unique role. Just like a house is made of bricks, our bodies are made of trillions of cells working together. Each cell is like a tiny factory performing specific tasks to keep us healthy. This intricate organization is what allows life to exist in all its diversity. From plants to animals, every living thing relies on the harmony of its cells. Understanding cells helps us unravel the mysteries of life. Scientists study cells to learn how they work and how they interact with each other. It allows us to understand how our bodies function, how diseases spread, and how new life is created. This knowledge is crucial for medical advancements and treatments, so let's shrink down to the microscopic level and explore the fascinating world within a cell. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders that lie within. Imagine a bustling city full of life and activity. That's what an animal cell is like. It's a complex and dynamic structure with many different parts, each playing a crucial role. The cell is contained within a thin outer layer called the cell membrane, which acts like the city walls, controlling what goes in and out. Inside, there's a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm, where many important processes occur. Within the cytoplasm, we find various organelles, specialized structures that perform specific functions. Think of them as different departments within our bustling city. There's the nucleus, the cell's control center, and the ribosomes, tiny factories that produce proteins. Now, let's step into a plant cell, a remarkable structure that resembles a green factory. Plant cells share many similarities with animal cells, but also have some unique features. One of the most striking differences is the presence of chloroplasts, the green powerhouses that capture sunlight and convert it into energy through photosynthesis. These organelles give plants their green color and are essential for their survival. Plant cells also have a rigid cell wall outside the cell membrane, providing structural support and protection. Additionally, they contain a large central vacuole, a storage compartment that helps maintain the cell's shape and stores water and nutrients. Let's take a closer look at the cell membrane, the remarkable structure that surrounds both animal and plant cells. This membrane is not just a simple barrier, it is a dynamic and complex structure that plays a crucial role in the life of the cell. Picture it as the city walls, controlling the flow of people and goods in and out of the city. Just like city walls, the cell membrane regulates what enters and exits, ensuring the cell remains protected and functional. The cell membrane is made up of a double layer of phospholipids, special fats that form a barrier between the cell's interior and the outside world. This bilayer is essential for the membrane's integrity and functionality. These phospholipids have a hydrophilic or water-loving head and a hydrophobic or water-fearing tail, creating a semi-permeable membrane. This unique arrangement allows the membrane to be flexible yet sturdy. This means that some molecules, like water and small uncharged particles, can pass through easily, moving in and out of the cell without much resistance, while others, like large molecules and ions, need special protein channels to cross. These channels act like gates, allowing specific substances to enter or leave the cell. This selective permeability is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment. It ensures that the cell can take in necessary nutrients, expel waste products, and maintain homeostasis, which is vital for the cell's survival and proper functioning. Section 5. The nucleus, the city hall. At the heart of both animal and plant cells lies the nucleus, the cell's control center. Think of it as the city hall, where all the important decisions are made and the city's blueprints are stored. The nucleus is enclosed by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope, which regulates the passage of molecules in and out. Inside the nucleus, we find the cell's genetic material, DNA, organized into structures called chromosomes. DNA carries the instructions for building and maintaining the entire organism, just like a library of blueprints. These instructions are translated into proteins, the workhorses of the cell, through a complex process called gene expression. Section 6. Ribosomes, tiny factories. Scattered throughout the cytoplasm of both animal and plant cells are ribosomes, tiny protein factories that play a vital role in cell function. Imagine them as bustling workshops where raw materials are assembled into complex products. Ribosomes receive instructions from the nucleus in the form of messenger RNA or mRNA, which carries the genetic code for specific proteins. Using these instructions, ribosomes assemble amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, into long chains called polypeptides. These polypeptides then fold into intricate three-dimensional shapes, forming functional proteins that carry out a wide range of tasks, from catalyzing chemical reactions to transporting molecules across the cell membrane. Section 7. Mitochondria powerhouses. No city can function without a reliable source of energy, and neither can a cell. That's where mitochondria come in, the powerhouses of both animal and plant cells. Mitochondria are bean-shaped organelles with a double membrane. The inner membrane is folded into structures called cristae, which increase the surface area for energy production. It's within these cristae that cellular respiration takes place. During cellular respiration, mitochondria break down glucose, a simple sugar, in the presence of oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP or adenosine triphosphate. This ATP is the cell's primary energy currency, powering all its activities. Section 8. Chloroplasts, green energy factories. Plant cells have an additional energy source, chloroplasts, the green factories that capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy through photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are large, double-membraned organelles filled with a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun, which is then used to power the synthesis of glucose from carbon dioxide and water. This process, known as photosynthesis, not only provides energy for the plant cell, but also releases oxygen into the atmosphere, essential for all aerobic life on Earth. Chloroplasts are a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity in harnessing solar energy. Section 9. Specialized cells. A symphony of life. Just like a city thrives on the specialized skills of its inhabitants, multicellular organisms rely on the diverse functions of specialized cells. Each cell type is like a worker in a vast interconnected community, contributing to the overall health and functionality of the organism. In the human body alone, there are over 200 different types of cells, each uniquely adapted to perform a specific function. From the skin cells that protect us to the blood cells that transport vital nutrients, every cell has a role to play. Nerve cells, with their long, slender extensions, transmit electrical impulses, allowing us to think, feel, and move. These cells form intricate networks that communicate with each other, ensuring our bodies respond to the environment. Muscle cells, containing contractile fibers, enable movement, whether it's the beating of our hearts or the flexing of our limbs. These cells are essential for all physical activity. Red blood cells, shaped like flattened discs, transport oxygen throughout the body. Their unique shape allows them to navigate through the narrowest of blood vessels, ensuring that every part of the body receives the oxygen it needs. White blood cells, part of our immune system, defend us against invading pathogens. These cells are like the body's soldiers, constantly on the lookout for threats and ready to spring into action to protect us. Plants also have a variety of specialized cells, each contributing to the plant's survival. From the cells that make up the leaves to those in the roots, each type plays a crucial role in the plant's life cycle. Root hair cells, with their large surface area, absorb water and nutrients from the soil. These cells are vital for the plant's growth, ensuring it gets the sustenance it needs from its environment. Xylem cells, arranged end-to-end, form long tubes that transport water from the roots to the leaves. This system is essential for the plant's hydration and nutrient distribution. Phloem cells, connected by sieve plates, transport sugars produced during photosynthesis to other parts of the plant. This process ensures that energy is distributed throughout the plant, supporting its growth and development. The diversity of cell types in both animals and plants highlights the incredible adaptability of life and the intricate connection between structure and function at the cellular level. Each cell, no matter how small, plays a part in the grand symphony of life. From the smallest bacteria to the largest trees, all living organisms are united by the common denominator of the cell, a testament to the elegance and efficiency of nature's design. This unity underscores the interconnectedness of all life forms, from the bustling cities of animal cells to the green factories of plant cells. The microscopic world is a symphony of life, a testament to the power and beauty of nature's building blocks. Each cell, with its unique function, contributes to the harmony and balance of life on Earth.